100 Best Phrases for Daily English Conversations. Repeat after me and improve your speaking skills. Hi there, how are you doing this morning? I'm doing great, thanks. How about you today? It's been a while since we last met. Nice to see you again. How have you been? The weather is really nice and sunny today, right? I can't believe how cold it got overnight. What are your plans for the weekend ahead? I'm just planning to stay home and relax. Have you been busy with work this week? Not really. It's been pretty quiet and calm. Hi, can I get a cup of coffee, please? Would you like any milk or sugar with that? Yes, please. A little milk and 1 sugar. Can I have that coffee to go, please? Do you have any non-dairy milk options available? I'd like a small cappuccino and a blueberry muffin. How much is everything together? That will be $5.50, please. Could I also get a glass of cold water? Sure, here you go. Enjoy your drink. Excuse me, how much does this t-shirt cost? It's on sale today for $25 only. Do you have this in a different color, maybe? Yes, we also have it in blue and black. Can I try this one on in the fitting room? Of course, the fitting rooms are just over there. I think I'll take it. Where can I pay? You can pay at the counter near the exit. Can I pay by card or is it cash only? We accept both cash and all major cards. Good morning, everyone. Let's start our meeting now. I'll send you the updated report by tomorrow morning. Could you please check the numbers once again? I'm sorry, I didn't catch what you just said. Let's schedule another meeting for next Monday afternoon. Can you help me with this presentation later? Sure, I'll have some time after lunch today. Please remember to submit your work before the deadline. I'll make sure to finish it on time. Great job on that project. Everyone did really well. What should we cook for dinner tonight? Any ideas? Let's make some pasta with vegetables and cheese. Could you please wash the dishes after we eat? Sure, I'll do it right after dinner. Don't forget to take out the trash tonight. The living room looks a bit messy. Let's clean up. You're right, a quick tidy up would be good. I'm going to do the laundry this afternoon. Can you help me hang the clothes outside later? Yes, no problem. I'll help you after lunch. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice. Hi, it's me. Are you free to talk now? Sorry, I'm driving. Can I call you back later? Sure, no problem. Talk to you soon, okay? How long does it take to walk there from here? It's about 15 minutes if you walk quickly. Can I buy a ticket on the bus or before? You can buy it from the driver. It's $2. Is this seat taken, or may I sit here? No, it's free. Go ahead and take it. The train is running late again, isn't it? Yeah, it's always delayed during rush hour traffic. Let's grab some lunch together later this afternoon. Sorry, I already have plans. Maybe another time. Do you want to go for a walk after dinner? Sure, that sounds nice. The weather is perfect today. I'm so tired, I could sleep for a whole week. Don't worry, just rest and take it easy tonight. I watched a really funny movie last night. Oh, really? What's it called? I might watch it too. Let's meet up again next weekend and catch up. That's a great idea. I'll text you to confirm. I'm running a bit late because of heavy morning traffic. Could you please remind me what time our meeting starts? I haven't seen you in ages. How have you been? Let's grab some coffee and talk about your new job. I can't decide what to wear for the party tonight. Please send me the file once you've finished updating it. I think we should leave early to avoid the traffic jam. Can you tell me more about your trip to Italy last summer? I'm trying to eat healthier and drink more water every day. I forgot to charge my phone. Now the battery is almost dead. My internet connection is really slow. I can't watch anything properly. I'd love to join you for dinner. Just tell me the time. She said she would call me back, but she never did. It's getting late. We should probably head home soon. I really enjoyed our conversation today. Let's talk again soon. I was just about to call you when you texted me. It's so nice to relax at home after a long, busy day. I didn't sleep well last night, so I'm really tired today. Let's go somewhere this weekend, maybe the beach or the mountains. I really appreciate your help today. You saved me a lot of time. Enjoyed the lesson? Hit like and subscribe for daily speaking practice.